Halo Mini Immobiliser on a BMW iX 2023. So when they leave the vehicle, we get 2 flashes from the full beam, meaning the system's active. So if someone copied this key, done a relay attack, started the car up, when they put it in gear, you're going to see the car cut out. They're unable to drive it away. So dash drive, we'll pop it in reverse, car cuts out. So what the customer can do, start the car, go through their unique code. We get a flash from the full beam. We can select our gear and drive off. Customer can set their own code between 3 and 21 presses. So the way they'll set the code is first have the system disarmed, then we'll turn the ignition on, press the brake, the accelerator 10 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pop their new code in, 1, 2, 3, turn the car off. We get 1 flash, that's our new code learned. So now we start the car, new code, get our flash, we can drive off. This is the Halo Mini, we're Immobiliser Fit, this is 2023 BMW iX. Thanks for watching.